So we're on a morning walk with Nadine, and here is her arch nemesis, the black German Shepherd. And here's Isla. Did it. Keeping an eye on two different sets of dogs. There's this one. And then of course there's this one. That one is sitting, so Isla is more relaxed about the German Shepherd. But as you can see, as this kid approaches with his two dogs, Isla is on alert. She's on alert. A Honda.
No.
The first bark, and she's trying to take off.
No.
So unfortunately, we don't zap. We just use the voice. Gives a little beep. You can't even hear it. This way, Isla. Come here. As you can see, she's getting more excited.
No.
No, Isla. No.
No.
No. No. No. No. No.
No.
No. No.
No. No.
Good job, Isla. Okay, now the second one. The German Shepherd.
No.
Again, if you just beep it once or twice, Isla knows not to go too crazy. As long as she's between us and them, she's fine. She likes to be between you and the threat. So